Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that Nerb promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! I freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with Nerb to places with sand? Frick. Slept in the spooky ghost house last night. Ugh. Awoken by cows. Cows mooing in the morning. Have another slow leak. Craig's back wheel. Just found it there just before, just as we're about to leave. So we found the
it's easy to get off. It's easy to take it off.
The rim tape. The rim tape kind of shredded itself, so tube would have got a hole on the spokes. Making some makeshift rim tape here. How Nerb fixes his KTM.
With a hammer!
Big hammer. Two KTMs broken. WR just going fine over there.
I reckon we get some lube on there, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Use that
Lube up.
WD-40.
I got a bottle of KY in the bedroom. Come on. There you go. Oh, gents, this is Bulgaria. This is where we stayed last night. But today we are on to Arkaroola, one of my favourite little places. So we've got quite the little ride there. Off we go. Rocky sandy track to Arkaroola. It'll take us all day. Got like 200 kilometers to Lee Creek, Copley, where we're going to have a Pong Dong pie. Joking. Oh well, friggin' hell. We got 21s. Number 3. Adventure. So for some reason on the 690, Craig's bike is getting a puncture in the same spot. This is the third time in about 50 k's. So we've had to patch the tube and the tyre. Put a bit of tape and a patch on the tyre where it was getting punctured, but we don't know if it's a wire or something that's in there. We couldn't feel anything in the tyre. There's no nails or anything, or you'd think that would break it. But 30-40 k's to Farina, and then kind of on the main road. There's a couple towns down there, but it is a Saturday, so it'll be tricky to get stuff. Come on, tyre. Don't you go now. I'm not optimistic. I'm not optimistic one bit. I hope it's freaking fixed, because I mean, I'm not actually even doing anything. Like, Nerb's the master of changing tyres and tubes. I think that's Craig's first puncture. I think yesterday was when he first punctured it. I've only had one proper big puncture where the tyre came off the bead, and luckily Nerb was with me, so he changed it for me. Nerb changes his tyres at home, so he's pretty freaking good at it. Here we are, some ruins. Oh, Nerb will love it. Nerb loves ruins. So this is the Farina post office of 1878 to 1960. I think they had a train line that came through here. What's over here, eh? We got a table of junk. Ooh, that's a nice table of junk. I like this bit of junk. This is a nice bit of junk. Ooh, these are nice. Great place to take us to, Nerb. Thanks a lot, champ. Welcome to Farina. Through abandonment, wind and weather, the face and history of this once vibrant township was lost. Troopy. That's what I care about more. 70 series Land Cruiser Troopy. I want one of them. Oh, he's got a pop-up roof as well. Ready for blindness. And blind. Well guys, times are tough here in the desert. You have to eat whatever you can find.
Oh, look at it.
Big breakfast and a latte. Can't beat it. Tell me what the Kongdong's like.
Haven't you had one, Tom?
I can't remember.
It's obviously not that spectacular.
I drink so much alcohol.
Can't remember.
Can't
So
remember.
Kongdong is a bush peach.
Bush peach, eh? Thought that's a nickname for a girl's lady part, isn't it? The old bush. How is it? The Kongdong.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's a bit like a rhubarb pie.
Nice. Kongdong Bakery and Bush Cafe. Very nice. Been there twice now. Now we're on the way to Arkaroola, and boy do we have a route to get there. Come on now, son, let's go. Let's go. Oh, Jesus Christ, please go that way. Freaking hell. One kangaroo, and that's enough today. One kangaroo, oh, another one, little bloody Joey, no, where you going? Jesus Christ. Goosh. Woo! I gotta say, Craig's rear tire's gotten further than I thought it would. I was very not optimistic after we got 3 punctures on it. I mean, I think it's been a really good trip. Like, we've had our little issues and stuff, which, you know, is good. It's adventure riding to have little issues. You know, a couple of punctures, you know, some dodgy wiring. What's happened on Nerb's bike? Not a whole lot. Nerb's bike always seems to just freaking work. 1190. Ooh, shivers me timbers. I just see the corners through the dust. Woo! Third gear. Akuna. That's not where we're going. Akuna Matata. Not a bad way to spend 2 weeks, man. Just riding dirt bikes through the outback, pretending to be a bit of a cowboy. Whoa. Just kept turning that corner. Didn't know when I could get back on the throttle. Should have a play up ahead. Have a bit of a RidingWithTom play. Use up all the road. Really get into it. Alright, let's go. Coming through, Greg. You going left. Come on, little WR. Sliding about. 42 PSI, front and rear. Go, 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 go! Whoa. Goosh. What's that? Some kind of critter. This is what it's all about, man. Adventure bike riding. It is just the best form of motorcycle riding. Like, don't get me wrong. I love road bikes. I love track riding. I love pure dirt bike riding, but nothing sums it all together like adventure riding, because it's a bit of everything. You get road, you get off-road, You get the destination, you get challenging your mates and shit, trying to go up steep hills or go down gnarly tracks and shit. So I just feel like it just combines every best bit about motorcycle riding. And especially if you love camping and, like, you know, a bit of bush cooking and just traveling and stuff. It is just the absolute best bit of motorcycle riding is adventure riding. What the frick? Which way did they go? Why didn't they wait for me? I don't know which way to go. Oh! Jesus Louises! Look at this shit! This is great! Bloody steep as anything! Whoa! Alright. Go! Whoa! Frickin' he bloody corner straight after it. I have no idea where Nerb is. I think I've lost their tracks, so I think they went the other way. They didn't go this way to Arkaroola. So I don't see him ahead. There was a corner and I didn't know which way to go. So I went the way it said Arkaroola. So that's where we're going. But it did seem a little short. Old Illojuania. Crap. Which way to Arkaroola? It's time to turn on the Garmin. Alright, let's just keep going, eh? Now, this is a decent track. This one, from that turn off, man, that actually got technical. Ooh! Ow! There's a tree here. Ow! Can you go away? Can you go away, Mr. Tree? Holy moly! This is quite the track! Woohoo! Holy Jesus Christ! Power! Whoa! Oh no, my mirror finally twisted. No! Jesus Christ! This is a lot trickier than the way we came to Arkaroola last time. Woo! You're not getting your family, well, family Commodore up that one. Oh. Getting lazy when you've been riding all day. You know, when you just get lazy, you don't want to stand up. You just want your Parmigiana and your beer. And you really don't see those kangaroos until like the last second. That's probably why I shouldn't do 110 through here. Whoa! That was a rock. See, that would be it for Nerv's front wheel. They're the old WR, strong DID wheels on them. I've never bent one yet. Even hitting bullshit and stuff like that. Tree. Back on the gas. Get it turning, get it turning. Oh, Kanga, where you going, Kanga? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Just try and dodge the big bastards. I got cool drone footage of the Jeep right up there in that mountain up there. Really cool. It's a good little track to get up there as well. Now, did I beat them here? Or are they still out there? I don't see any motorbikes. I think I beat them here. Riding with Tom is the winner. Check out this place. Not bad, eh? Not bad. So, I pulled into Arkaroola about an hour and a half ago. I think Nerb and Craig were a bit ahead of me and fork in the road, and I took the way that went to Arkaroola, and I guess the other guys were taking a more scenic route. Luckily Nerb has a GPS tracker, so I can see that they're They did actually double back, probably to check. As you can see, they doubled back to probably see if I'd stopped in the corner, but I messaged him on my Garmin saying that I was just going to meet him in Arkaroola, so now he's ducking around. He's got to come all the way up to here, Arkaroola village. So he's got to do this big detour. I'm guessing they were trying to get a track right up to there, but I'm guessing they couldn't do it, so they should have an interesting story. It's 45 minutes till dinner time, so better get going.